Hello, my name is Tony Buhalter and I'm the Operations Manager here at Lincoln Electric Cutting Systems. We'd like to formally invite you to our beautiful facility and join us for an NCET Tech Wednesday here on June 12th. At our manufacturing facility in Reno, Nevada, you'll learn about the two sides of our business, the Torchmate CNC plasma cutting tables and the Vernon Tool pipe profiling machines. On the tour, we'll show you the ins and outs of our operation and how just about everything for our products are manufactured, assembled and tested in-house to provide a fully assembled solution to our customers. We'll show you how our recent ISO 14001 certification relates to our larger environmental management goals and how our facility fits into the Lincoln Electric's larger global manufacturing strategy. You'll even get to see some sparks fly while you're here. We look forward to seeing you here on June 12th.